Respondent looks.
During the last date of hearing, there was a direction for the respondents to
Respondent
keep
and
the
the
children
children
there.
are present.
Direction for respondent to
keep the children present, my lords. They had flown to Calcutta, my lords, on 7th.
One, the children are present.
During the last date, even the tickets were also placed on record. Not for an interim custody, my lords, to take the children to Mangalore, my lords. Father is residing in Mangalore. Children are residing in Bangalore, my lords, with mother. Since there is school vacation, Christmas vacation, my lords, I have sought for interim custody to take the children to Mangalore, my lords, during vacation.
all right. Now where is the child?
The respondent and the children are present.
What is the order you're questioning?
My lords, as of now, my lords, there is no order that has been passed, my lords. I have made application, my lords. Same was not considered.
Where is that order?
Milords, that is precisely my objections to this, Milords. They have sought a writ of mandamus against the private individual, Milords. The applications, Milords, are
Next year, my lords, page 17. This is the order sheet, my lords. I made an application before the family court, my lords, under the family court, my lords, seeking for an interim custody of the children during school vacation. My lords, I was not allowed to take the children to Mangalore for about last 1.5 years. In 2020, my lords, it was the date of separation. Subsequent to which, my lords, children were going and coming to Mangalore. They were allowed to go. However, my lords, in 2023 and my lords, to be precise, in the month of October, all this litigation started, my lords, because the mediation that was going on, which failed, due to which, my lords, all the litigation started coming up. Subsequent to which, my lords, it's been almost 1.5 years. Children were not allowed to go to Mangalore. My lords, also, my lords, with the father, there is an aged grandmother also. She has also not visited the grandchildren for almost 1.5 years, my lords. Now that it is school vacation, so I made an application before the family court. My lords, same was not considered, my lords. During the last date, objection was filed. Two of my IAs were infectious in nature, my lords. Also, my lords, I had sought for another visit to Mangalore in the month of February 16, 2025. Next month, my lords. However, my lords, now the next date is on February 18th. That IA is also infectious in nature, my lords.
Before the Mangalore family court?
No, my lords, in Bangalore, before the Bangalore family court.
Now the matter is pending where?
Bangalore family court. Respondent is from Bangalore, my lords. She was in her matrimonial home previously, my lords. In 2020, they separated. That is when they shifted to Bangalore, and the children are residing in Bangalore, my lords, now.
So legal separation has not happened?
Legal separation has not happened, my lords. To and fro cases are pending, my lords. I have been
living separately.
Please,
yes,
my lords. Since the date of separation, my lords, I have been paying 2 lakhs of interim maintenance. I have given a 4 BHK house to stay. 24 lakhs of fees per annum for both the children is being paid from my end, my lords.
Where are they studying?
My lords, in Canadian International School, my lords.
In Bangalore.
Please.
Mother is also staying in Bangalore.
Father, please, my lords.
Mother
is staying in Bangalore.
Along with the children.
Please.
And father is in Mangaluru.
Father is in Mangaluru, my lords.
All right. So you made some application before the family court for visitation?
Please, my lords, I made multiple.
It has not been considered.
It has not been considered. As on date, my lords, it has not been considered. Next date is on February 18th, my lords. Next month.
How old are the children?
My lords, son is 13-year-old, daughter is 11-year-old.
So
Please, my lords, it's B1, my lords, 41.
To
Sorry, my
Mangalore and
lords.
stay with the father during Christmas vacations from 23/12/24 to 4/1/25 and other school vacation.
My lords, I've been paying interim maintenance, my lords, from the date of separation. In 2020 was the date of separation. That is when, my lords, every single month I've been paying the maintenance of rupees 2 lakhs. Also, my lords, school fees of rupees 24 lakhs I've been taking care of every month. Every year, my lords. A 4 BHK residence is been given to them, my lords, to stay. They have been staying in that residence, my lords. All the other expenses, apart from this expense,
so now your grievance is the family court has not considered this application.
Please, my
Please,
lords.
that is not their prayer, Milords. Their grievance is to direct this honorable court to send the kids to Mangalore, Milords. That is not their prayer. Lords, may please take their prayer. They've sought for a writ of mandamus against the.
My lords, IA that I have filed before the family court is infectious now. Such being the case, my lords, I have no
They have
option but to come before this
sought for the. They have sought for
biological father, my lords.
the prayer may be seen. They seek a writ of mandamus against the respondent, Milords. Now, Milords, let me have my lords on the merit of the matter as well. If my lords may please take page number 20 of their own petition, Milords. Page number 20.
Why do you go before the family court and urge all these matters?
Please, the direction of this honorable court may be that the matter may be disposed in a time-bound manner, and I am cooperating with that, Milords.
My lords, day after tomorrow is the last date, man. 16th, the schools are reopening. My IA itself is infectious, my lords.
This is why you go file fresh application before the family court. You cannot file a writ of mandamus against a private party
Please.
here. There's no order passed. Your grievance is whatever IA you have filed has become infructuous. It is no orders are
Family court
passed.
has not been considered. My lords,
will
during
direct
the
the
last date, my lords, during the last date, they had filed 7 to 11 applications seeking for the rejection of the plaint. That was filed after all the IAs were filed, my lords. after all the objections were filed. Just because my IAs are not supposed to be considered, that is when they are filed, my lords. Even before your lordship also, your lordship has directed them to keep the children present on the 8th, my lords. On 7th, they leave to Calcutta, knowingly that the petition has been filed. Petition was filed on 26th of December, my lords, 2024. On the very same day after filing of the petition, my lords, tickets get booked to Calcutta. I am just bringing it to your lordship's notice.
Lodge all these things before the family court. I will direct the family court to decide your application expeditiously.
Please, my lords.
All right. You want to say something?
No, we've actually cooperated, my lords. Our objections are on record, and I may just take my lords to page number 20. The petition may be disposed. The reason why I'm just bringing my lords to this notice is at page number 20, they filed a detailed memo in the guise of the same application. My lord, they filed a detailed memo seeking an interim custody of the two children. What happens to that memo, my lords? I filed my detailed objections, and the memo is rejected. That order may be seen on the same page at the bottom. Memo filed by the petitioner seeking interim custody of the children is hereby rejected. It was a detailed argument, my lords. I have placed my reasons as to why the memo may not be entertained, and the family court has passed. So this petition may be disposed of. Directions to the family court saying that the matter may be disposed in a time-bound manner, and I will abide by that, my lords.
My lords, my IA will be infectious, my lord. It is only 2 days that is left, my lords.
What do you want now?
My lords,
What is it that what relief you want?
some direction for the children, at least for a matter of a day, my lords. to
Petition,
visit
first
my
of all,
lord.
is not maintainable. You go before the family court, file whatever application you want. That court will consider. No order is passed. What is that order you're questioning? At the most, this court can direct expeditious disposal. That's all. You're not questioning any order of the court. Are you questioning? You're seeking a direction to give the children to you. I understand your
IAs have
concern.
been held infructuous, my lords, because the family court was not considering. My lords, I was helpless. That is the reason I have approached this honorable court.
So apart from this GNWC, anything else is
My
fine?
lords, DV Act is pending, my lords. 498 was filed against me. I have challenged it via 482, my lords. Hearings are complete, my lords. It is pending for orders, my lords.
What is the respondent doing?
My lords, the respondent was previously working. Now that she is a housewife.
She's a
not
housewife. She's a housewife, my lords.
You're paying maintenance
working. It is 2 lakhs every month.
to all three of them.
Please. School fees has been paid separately, my lords.
My lords, they're also on the ground that we've not let the petitioner meet the children. Now, my lords, the birthday of the son was on the 11th of this month. The father himself has met the child in the lobby of the building where they're residing. We've not denied the father from meeting the children at all, my lords. They've come on the wrong grounds. Let them urge all that in the family court, my lords. We will expeditiously answer that point of.
Permitting the father to see the child.
Yeah, please, my lords.
Now, learned counsel for the petitioner and the learned counsel for the respondent. We'll stop. Petitioner's grievances that he had filed interim applications IA number 6, 7, 8, and 9 before the learned family judge at Bangalore. In GNWC 99 of 24, same was not considered, and therefore he was unable to have visitation rights or custody rights which he sought for. Hence, he has filed a present petition seeking a writ of madamus. Full stop. I'm afraid the petition may not be maintainable as no order is passed. And in fact, it is a grievance that in view of non-passing of the order by the learned family judge, petitioner is deprived, petitioner or father is deprived of seeing and visiting the minor children. Full stop. It would be appropriate for this court to direct the family court to decide application IA number 6, 7, 8, and 9 in accordance with law expeditiously and pass suitable orders. It full stop. It is the duty and obligation of the family court to decide applications filed for interim custody bar visitation as expeditiously as possible, so that the applications filed do not render the same infructuous without any visitation rights being provided to the father timely. Full stop. Under the circumstances, this petition is disposed of with a direction to the learned family judge to dispose of the application IA number 6, 7, 8, 9. When is the next date of hearing?
My lords, 18th of February, my lords.
6, 7, 8, 9. So now the school is already started.
Reopening is on 16th.
16.
Party shall appear before the family court on the 24th of January. Appear on 24th of January
Please,
before the family court.
please, please.
You argue the matter. You have filed
Please,
objections
I file my objections, my lord.
on 24th of January and shall address arguments on which day The learned family judge shall pass suitable orders with regard to visitation on merits upon hearing the parties as well as the minor children, as well as interaction with the minor children. All right.